Okay, good morning friends. Today we see the another type of example which are depend upon the polar coordinate and Cartesian coordinates. In last video we see that we have to given the polar coordinates and find the Cartesian coordinates. Now next type of example we have to given now here the polar coordinate, Cartesian coordinate, and we have to find the polar coordinates. Okay. So we start the first example. I will solve this one more example. That is the first example. See that here I will take first one example, that is the root 2 comma root 2. This is the given polar coordinate, that is the length. R comma polar coordinates are denoted by r and theta. That's why r comma theta is equal to let we have to given here Cartesian coordinates and to find the polar coordinates. So that's why Cartesian coordinates are denoted by x comma y is equal to, that is the root 2 comma root 2. This by comparing, so here we get x is equal to root 2 and y is equal to also root 2. This is the Cartesian coordinates. Now to find the polar coordinates, we need to find the value of r and theta. So we have, see that we have the relation, that is r is equal to under root of x square plus y square. This relation we will already see in next video also. Okay. Therefore substitute the value of x and y. So that is the under root of 2 bracket square plus value of y is also under root of 2 bracket square. Now simplify this. Therefore r is equal to under root of root 2 square is 2. Again root 2 square is 2. So simplify this sum, so is equal to root 4, and root 4 is equal to, that is the plus or minus 2, but we will take only positive 2 because r is the radius and radius is the length, and that's why it is always positive. Okay, after this you know that again we have that another relation, that is tan theta is equal to y upon x. So that's why theta is equal to tan inverse of y upon x, like this, and therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of value of y is root 2, value of x also root 2, that is root 2 divided by root 2, and thereby by simplifying tan theta is equal to tan inverse of 1, and therefore theta is pi by 4 because 1 is the value of tan ratio at pi by 4 degree. Pi by 4 radius or 45 degree, and so that's why value of theta is equal to pi by 4, and therefore required polar coordinates are polar coordinates are r comma theta is equal to, that is the 2 comma pi by 4 is our requirements. Okay, understood? So now again I will take one more example. See that I will take this example. Which one? That is the supposed to be this one. Both are the negative numbers, third one. So here let us consider that value of xy is equal to 1 upon root 2, 1 upon minus 1 upon root 2, comma minus 1 upon root 2. Okay. So here also minus 1 upon root 2, here also minus 1 upon root 2. Again we use this relation. In this relation, substitute the value of x square, x and y. So that is the minus 1 upon root 2 bracket square plus minus 1 upon root 2 bracket square. Simplify this. By simplifying, we get that r is equal to under root of minus square is plus, and then 1 upon 2 root 2 square is, again this minus 1 upon root 2 square is also 1/2, and so finally simplify this. Under root of common denominator is 2, sum of the numerator part, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2, therefore r is equal to also under root of 1, means I will take r is equal to 1 because square root of 1 is positive, square root of 1 is 1. Again we have relation tan theta is equal to y upon x. So therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of y upon x, and therefore substitute the value of y, that is the minus 1 upon under root of 2 divided by value of x is minus 1 upon under root of 2. By simplifying, this is also 1, and therefore tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4, otherwise 45 degree, and so required answer is here, that is the required polar coordinates are r comma theta is equal to 1 comma pi by 4. Okay. Again one more example. So I will take this example. That fourth. So let us consider here the value of xy as a 3 by 2 comma 3 root 3 by 2. Okay, means here value of x is 3 by 2 and value of y is 3 root 3 by 2. Okay, for calculating the value of r, we know the relation r is equal to x square plus y square. So therefore, again simplify this. So that's why we get r is equal to under root of 3 by 2 bracket square plus 3 into under root of 3 by 2 bracket square. Simplify this. Therefore, r is equal to under root of 9 by 4 plus this square is 9, this square is 3. 9 is 27 by 4. By simplifying, I is equal to under root of this sum is 36 by 4, and therefore r is equal to under root of 9 means r is equal to plus or minus 3, but r is the radius, and so that's why I will take the value r is equal to 3. Again we have that is the theta is equal to tan inverse of y upon x. Use this formula directly, otherwise you calculate the value of sin theta and cos theta and then use the formula tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, otherwise directly use that. And therefore tan inverse of value of y is 3 root 3 divided by 2 divided by 3 by 2. And so therefore by simplifying we get here tan inverse of only root 3. And so therefore tan inverse of root 3 is the value of at which degree, that is the at the pi by 3. Root 3 is the value of at the pi by 3. Pi by 3 means that is the 60 degree. And therefore theta is equal to pi by 3 radius, and that's why required polar coordinates are, that is r is equal to 3 comma pi by 3. This is the required answer. And by the way, we simplify that polar coordinates from the Cartesian coordinate we calculate the polar coordinates. Here's two types of example given upon this article. Today I will finish this article. You practice that. Hope. Thank you.